What's good, everyone, and welcome back into the channel. Today we are talking about Pepe coin because we are asking ourselves, is the Pepe coin hype dead? Is this coin dying right now? Because if you think about it, Pepe coin is almost like a barometer to the meme market at the moment, but we are seeing some coins like Pepe on the BSC chain pumping by 900% over the last 24 hours, which you can check out. But looking at the previous month, we can see this had a classic blow off top right here, and when you look at the psychology of a market cycle, it almost looks the same, which does tell me that it's hit the euphoric thrill and belief stage of the market cycle. So it's going to be very, very hard for this coin to now recover to those previous levels. So looking at Pepe coin, some things we can notice, of course, it's launched on so many exchanges, has not yet launched on Coinbase, and I don't think it will. But what we can learn from this, of course, if it has launched on so many exchanges, maybe it's already reached the ceiling, maybe it's already plateaued, because we're not getting that major volume coming. Sure, there's a chance we can catch some massive whales out there, but I just don't think the smart money would be doing that right now. We can also look at Etherscan, and Etherscan kind of supports the growth rate of this coin at the moment. And we can see over the last sort of 7 days, we've gone from 108,000 holders to 114,000. But more importantly, if we look from Saturday 13th of May to the current date of the 20th or 19th, wherever we are, we can see there's only really been around 2,000-3,000 holders, which is not enough to quantify another bull run for Pepe coin. So I just don't think it's going to happen. So I would say right now, it's already been a successful launch. Of course, it was amazing, the run from Pepe. You can't really fault that. It was absolutely fantastic. But right now, I just don't think Pepe is going to find itself recovering to any all-time highs anytime soon. So we can now have a little look at Pepe price structure, and what we can find here, just looking at the charts, is that we do have a few areas of support. Firstly, we are literally in a descending or even a symmetrical triangle. If you really wanted to get kind of technical with this, join up these supports and resistances, you can sort of see we're getting the lower resistances, which is natural, and then we're getting that converging line. So the lines are converging, symmetrical triangle, classic setup here, with the heightened support levels. But we are in the first phase of support here at 0.0 to the power of 5157, and the next support level that I speculate we will get a drop for Pepe coin is falling back down to this lower region of 0.0 to the power of 51129. So that's another level to look out for. As far as the marketing goes for this coin on Pepe, because we're going to talk about it and how do you kind of find these gems before they do sort of go live. Well, this is Pepe coin with 284,000 followers, and one thing you can immediately notice is that they're kind of slowing down on the marketing and the engagements are slowing down. We're not really seeing any major protocol upgrades for this anymore. So they're trying to drive in volume, but that's because they've got big partnerships with exchanges which bring them money anyway. So it's all a game of money right now. That's all it really is for this coin. If you're new to the channel, do consider becoming a patron, by the way, where we've got 488 patrons with access to trading signals, analysis, DeFi, staking, advice, and much, much more. Discord is thriving at the moment. You're going to get loads of different entries, setups like this where you're going to get the take profit zone, the stop loss zone, the entry point, and really there's just over 13,000 people in the Discord. So it's worth coming to say hi, especially this weekend if you want to kind of make some new friends in the crypto markets. But yeah, it's kind of crazy. So things you can, if you are searching for that next big coin, you can look through things like Dex Tools, a website which allows you to snipe and prospect the decentralized finance landscape, where you can look for the daily trenders. You can look for coins that have just launched, and you want to look for those coins that have potential, following the trends, like fun names, characters with under 50 or 100 holders. Because let's face it, Pepe coin, it's got over 100,000 holders, and that does not really motivate me to buy the coin anymore, because it's you're not an early bag holder anymore. So there's no real incentive there, guys. That's one thing to, of course, consider. You can also kind of scrape through this kind of website here like CoinMarketCap. You can click on the 24 hours, see which meme coins are gaining the most. This is not the original Pepe coin, by the way. This is Pepe BSC. This is on the BEP20 chain with a much lower market capital, but like I say, it's already pumping massively. So is it really worth getting into? I don't really know. I'd have to do some more critical thinking and more deep digging on the analysis on chain side of things. But we can see there are still a few hot contenders in the market. So yeah, it's really, really interesting. Alternatively, what's going on in my world of meme coin investing? I'm buying into meme coins like AI Doge at the moment. This is a pre-sale, so this is where the community is growing and is yet to grow more. Because it's a pre-sale, this coin has not yet launched on ICO or of course decentralized or centralized exchanges. Now if you want to participate in this pre-sale, I've got a link down below for you, but remember, this is not financial advice. Do not risk more than you can afford to lose. AI Doge is basically an AI meme generation platform. It's all a bit of fun in the meme and artificial intelligence world. So you can buy this with either USDT or Ethereum, whichever of your choice. But overall, I think it's a really cool ecosystem with a long-term roadmap. I've got my bag of tokens, and they're also doing a $50 billion, well, 50 billion token airdrop, which is pretty extravagant as well, guys. So that's AI Doge down below. Remember to get into the Discord too if you want to come hang out with a bunch of cool crypto guys. Over 13,000 people in here, I kid you not. And yeah, like I say, AI Doge is the one that I'm hoping can do a 5 to 10x in the future. Furthermore, in the meme coin world, we also have Love Hate Enu. Basically, it's going to be claimable today. So I know a lot of you guys were invested in this pre-sale, and it says here May 19th, 10 a.m. UTC. That is today, where it's going to list on OKX. So certainly worth a look at. Claim your tokens very, very soon, I believe. And I cannot wait to grab my Love Hate Enu tokens. That's another meme coin we've recently looked at, but the one that has not yet gone live is AI Doge. Overall, I think Pepe, you know, it's on a final strand. It's really on a final strand. I'm not saying it's a terrible coin to buy. I can't tell you whether you should or shouldn't buy it, and like I say, nothing in this video is financial advice. I just think that the great era of Pepe coin, you know, it's had its moment, it's had its euphoric top, and I think we are now in a downtrend for this coin, and naturally noobs will not really, you know, buy into this because they're going to FOMO. But once we're in a corrective phase, noobs don't really want to buy because it feels too risky, you know, and it's alarming for them. It's a red flag, it's a concern. So smart money might be accumulating. There could be some great pumps coming for Pepe, but we just don't know the future. Anyhow, that's kind of a video on how I find some meme coins. You can use Dex tools, you can use CoinMarketCap. Just stay up to date in the know. Subscribe if you're new, like, comment. Hopefully see you soon, and remember, check out the AI Doge pre-sale. The link is down below. Don't risk more than you can afford to lose. See you guys.